To manage positions in Uniswap v3, you need to understand the basics of the protocol and its unique features. Uniswap v3 is a decentralized exchange that allows users to provide liquidity and trade assets. First, you need to understand the concept of liquidity provision. Liquidity providers supply assets to a pool which facilitates trading. In Uniswap v3, liquidity providers can create a position by depositing two assets into a pool and receiving liquidity provider tokens in return. To manage your position, you need to navigate to the Uniswap v3 interface and connect your wallet. Once connected, you can view your positions and manage them accordingly. You can add or remove liquidity from your position by clicking on the Manage tab. When adding liquidity, you need to specify the amount of each asset you want to deposit and the price range you are willing to provide liquidity for. The price range is a unique feature of Uniswap v3 that allows liquidity providers to concentrate their liquidity around a specific price range. To remove liquidity, you can click on the Remove tab and specify the percentage of liquidity you want to withdraw. You can also use the Migrate tab to migrate your position to a different fee tier or price range. It is essential to monitor your positions regularly to ensure they are performing as expected. You can use tools such as the Uniswap v3 Analytics platform to track your positions and adjust them accordingly. Best practices for managing positions in Uniswap v3 include diversifying your liquidity across multiple pools and assets, regularly monitoring your positions, and adjusting your price ranges and fee tiers as market conditions change. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your positions in Uniswap v3 and maximize your returns as a liquidity provider. Uniswap v3 provides a range of tools and features to help you manage your positions and navigate the complex world of decentralized finance.